This is an exam question about cellular structure. It says proteins are produced by the structure, and on the diagram it's labelled F, but I'll tell you now that the structure labelled F is rough ER. Some of these proteins may be extracellular proteins that are released from the cell. So we know that it's rough ER. We know that it's extracellular, right, that is released from the cell. Outline the sequence, so we've got to outline the steps, right, sequence of events following production of extracellular proteins. So the rough ER is going to produce the proteins that are going to be removed from the cell, right? And we've got to outline the events that lead to the release from the cell. So the rough ER is going to produce the proteins, all right, using the ribosomes that are attached to rough ER, and then the proteins are going to be moved to the Golgi body. You can say apparatus, where they are processed and modified. You can't say reprocessed. Okay. So you can't say reprocessed. Right, once they're processed and modified, they're then moved into vesicles. And the vesicles are then moved to the plasma or cell surface membrane. You can't just say cell membrane. You've got to say plasma or cell surface membrane. Those vesicles will fuse with the cell surface membrane, and then the proteins will be released by exocytosis. When you're talking about vesicles, don't mention vacuole. That's a common mistake that students make, is they talk about vacuoles rather than vesicles. So you have to say vesicles, you have to make sure you're saying cell surface membrane or plasma membrane, and you have to use the term exocytosis. 6 marking points, and the examiners will be after 3 of those.